Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Our tutorial for this video is Crescent Moon. And to start with this tutorial, we're having milk cotton yarn, pair of scissors, darning needle, not necessarily only as you want, and a 3.5 mm crochet hook. First, we have to do the first crescent. For the first crescent, we have to form a ring. Chain 6 and then join with slip stitch five, 6, and then join by using slip stitch to form a ring. And to do row 1, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. This is count as 1 double crochet, and then next to it is 13 double crochet inside the ring. 1, 2, done with 13 double crochet in a ring, altogether 14 double crochet. To proceed to row 2, chain 1 and then back, turn your work, 1 single crochet in first double crochet. This is the first double crochet, 1 single crochet and single crochet in the next double crochet. Next is chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make single crochet in the next chain and single crochet in the next chain. Do this process 6 times, ending with last single crochet in top turning chain. I'm on the last chain 5, single crochet in the next chain and 1 more single crochet in the top turning chain. So this is how it formed our row 1 and row 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now we're moving on the second crescent. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then turn your work. And this chain 6, we're going to slip stitch in the next chain 5 loop. This one, this is the next chain 5 loop. We're going to do slip stitch in here like this, and then chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, turn your work. This chain 3 considered as 1 double crochet, and now we are going to do 13 double crochet in this chain 6 loop. Okay, 1, 5, 7, 8, 13 double crochet. So So we have to count it: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Next, slip stitch in the first single crochet of the first crescent. This one is the first single crochet. So we have to do here slip stitch like this. Chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in the first single crochet, and single crochet in the next chain, chain 5, and make single crochet in the next chain, single crochet in the next chain, 1 2 3 4 and 5, chain 5, and then make single crochet in the next chain and single crochet in the next chain. Repeat this process 6 times. And now we are on the last chain 5 loop of the second crescent. Single crochet and single crochet in the last turning chain. So we're done for the first and second crescent, and to end up the second crescent, we have to do a slip stitch in the next chain 5 of the first crescent here. Like this. Next is chain 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. After chain 6, we're going to do third crescent. Turn your work, then slip stitch in the first free chain 5 loop of last crescent. So this is the last crescent. Slip stitch here, then chain 3, count as 1 double crochet, and make 13 double crochet in this chain 6 loop. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 3 to go. One, and the last double crochet. So we're done for the 13 double crochet for the third crescent. Next, make a slip stitch in the next chain 5 loop like this. Chain 1, turn your work, make single crochet in the first double crochet here. 1, second single crochet, chain of 5, single crochet in the next chain, single crochet in the next chain, chain of 5, single crochet, and single crochet in the next chain. Repeat this 6 times. Almost done for the third crescent. So this is the last chain 5 loop, single crochet in the next chain, and single crochet in the next chain at the same time, This is the top turning chain. And then we're going to connect on the second crescent. Slip stitch, slip stitch, and the next chain 5 loop of the second crescent. Slip stitch. So this is how it form our crescent moon. Repeat third crescent rows 6 to 8 for pattern or until you reach your desired length. I have sample here. Like this. This is how we end up our Crescent Moon tutorial. This is the first crescent, second and third. I just add 5 more crescent for look more nicer. Thank you very much for watching and see you on my next video.